What is the purpose of doing laryngoscopy in anesthesia? All of you know, to create a direct line of sight from our eye to larynx and to create a direct channel for a passage of endotracheal tube to facilitate intubation. And intubation is having three components. One, laryngeal exposure, you need to expose the larynx. Second, you need to pass the tube into the vocal cord, means entry. And third, passage of the endotracheal tube. So we are using usually these two type of blade for doing the laryngoscopy. In 1944, Miller has come up with the straight blade, and 2 years down the line, McIntosh has come up with the curved blade. What's the difference between these two blades? Both provide the acceptable laryngeal view. Even if you go to the evidences, number of evidences, Miller is better than the McIntosh as far as laryngeal view is concerned. So Miller tip has to be kept underneath the epiglottis, which causes direct lifting of epiglottis, and McIntosh blade tip should be kept in the vallecula, which indirectly lift up the epiglottis. So in previous era, they are using Miller blade. They have got lot of incidence of bradycardia because of vagal stimulations. That's the reason McIntosh become more popular. So optimal laryngeal, so both the blade provides proper laryngeal view, adequate laryngeal view, but optimal laryngeal view is highly depend on patient head and neck position. And in 1936, McGill was the first person who suggested to use a pillow underneath the occiput, and then he extended the neck, which improves the laryngeal view. So in 1944, McBath and Bannister has given the concept of three-axial alignment theory, and they concluded, they stated that flexion of cervical spine and extension of AO joint align three axes, and that is the reason we are getting better or optimal laryngeal view. And in 1989, Horton has given the exact angle of flexion of cervical spine, that is 35, and extension of face plane, that is 15 degree. How to give sniffing positions? Ideally, you should use 8 to 10 centimeter height substance underneath the occiput. If you are using donut, occiput goes down. It's not ideal way. Ideal, there should be 8 to 10 centimeter height pillow that will flex the spine 35 degree and then extend the face plane 15 degree. This is ideal sniffing position. Look at this video, how to give sniffing position. 35 degree flexion of spine with 15 degree face plane extension. If you look, same video under image intensifier, look at this. Flexion of cervical spine with 15 degree AO extension.